Open the disk, locate the Setup app, and start the installation. Click Accept. Click Next. Select the D disk for the installation location. Installation completed, click Close. Change the IP address to connect to the device. Click Network to open Network and Internet settings. Click as follows to locate the TCP/IPv4 protocol and double-click it. Use the following IP address. Click OK. Now the computer and device are paired. Go to Test Sample Register page. Check the location number for the corresponding sample position. For expedited treatment, please tick Stat. Click to select a test item. Register the type of sample cup being used. Follow this procedure to add more samples. Sample registration is completed. Click Start Condition and the status is normal. Click Start. Go to Test Sample Results page. Sample results can be queried, modified, and printed. You can search in batches according to the timing and you can find accurately according to the name and bed number. Select one sample. Select Edit Function button to edit the sample information. Select Edit Results at the bottom to edit the test results for your sample. For a paper report, click the Print button to output the results in paper. If you need the electronic file, click Export. You can specify the date to save. Go to Reagents, Reagent Settings page. Click the Add button at the bottom to begin editing the reagent parameters. Take TP as an example for reagent editing. Reagents of various manufacturers have different parameters. If you need to add reagents, please contact engineers. Go to Reagents, the Reagent Status page. Select the tray and the corresponding position number on the tray. Click Reagent Loading on the bottom left side of the panel. Enter the reagent barcode in the barcode entry options and click Save. Follow this method to enter the reagents you need to add in turn. The position of the reagent on the instrument can be viewed by the status on the right side of the window. Go to the Calibration Register page. Double-click the item to yellow and click OK. If you are unsure of the calibration solution position, select the item, view the location on the project calibration page. Go to QC settings. Click Add QC in the lower left corner and enter the name and batch number of the QC product. This video takes the Randox project parameters as an example. On the QC registration page, select the QC batch number. Place the controls in the right location and click Register. Select Start under Start Conditions to perform quality control. Under the QC window, select the quality control project or quality control chart that needs to be queried.